I'm kind of fucking scared, I'm not gonna lie. I wanna be this guy. I wanna be this guy. Yeah, let's do it easy, because I'm a pussy. I don't know what's going on right now, I'm not gonna lie. I wasn't listening to anything I should fucking do, bro. I was... The fuck do I do, bro? I wasn't listening. Oh! Well, that's yummy, I guess. Bro, this was definitely white people who wrote that. What? Hello? Let me in. Oh! Oh shit, we can lit... Can we light the place on fire? Wait, can I like...
Yep.
So... Oh, what the...
Okay, man.
What? I came in? What does that mean? Sure.
No way.
No.
Get over here.
Oh, I just absolutely obliterated myself with the can of gas. What do I... Okay, I guess I... Oh, I probably go over... Oh my god, I'm so stupid. All right. Okay, fuck you. That is not a good angle to put your arm, good sir. Okay, is there a tutorial for this shit? Oh! Okay, basement
Finders
key.
keepers.
Finders keepers, bro. Oh, that's cool, I guess. Okay. Oh, hell no! Hell no! Hell no! Hell no! Hell no! Hell... Hey! Oh. Oh. The scene, the fear of light. I'm not reading all that. It's honestly, I'm kind of scared shitless, but we're fine. Dude, I was just barely, just barely got in here. I was trying to find a way to get in the house, like, for like 10 minutes. I wasn't listening to anything I should fucking do, bro. I was... So, Oh! Yeah, I'm not going out there. There's a man howling out there. Or howling? Is that how you say it? Howling?
Grabbing this.
Dude, can you shut up? You're scaring me, bro. Oh, there's so many keys. What the hell? Gotta get the key. Oh, shit. Last time it made me go over to her, so I don't know. Oh, okay. Hell no! Oh my god! Let me out! I'm cornered. Okay, I'm just... Where is she? Oh, take this. I thought she would take the goat. Oh my god. Bro. I thought she would take it, bro. Oh my god. Okay, and then... I'm not helping you. Okay, and then we got a key. Oh, we need this for some reason. And then... Can I just, like, straight up grab it? I don't know. Okay. Shit, man, I don't know. Okay, I'm not going out there. Hell no. No, thank you. After hearing that guy, I don't think I want to go out there. Okay, I think I have to, like, lure her to the goats instead of giving the goats to her. I think that's what I have to do, but I'm not too sure. Okay. my god, that scared me so effing bad. Oh my god. Wait, I think I know what I have to do. Wait, I think I know. I'm gonna camp. I don't give a shit, I'm gonna camp. Okay. It's not working. I didn't know there were enemies, bro. What the fuck? That changes so much. It's gonna be 10 times harder now because I'm ass at everything, dude. Can we just set the whole place on fire? Like, I don't understand. Setting shit on fire is like ritual, as in, no, I don't... My heart actually dropped. Wait. Let me out. Let me out. Let me out. Oh my god. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh, I just went in a circle! I just went in a circle!
Bocce balls!
Oh, bocce ball scared the shit out of me! Where'd she go? Oh my god. Okay, no, I got this. I'm a brave. I'm brave. I'm brave. I'm a big, buff, brave bodybuilder. Ah! I'm cornered. I'm cornered. I'm cornered. I'm cornered. I'm cornered. Fuck you. Ha! Can you see that I suck ass at everything? Creepy ass motherfuckers.